Viewers, my colleague Harsha has confronted Chief Minister Siddaramaiah on the power tussle. Watch him maintain stark silence as Republic poses some very difficult questions. Take a look.
One question on the regiment change, on the leadership speculation. You have stated that you will stay as CM for 5 years.
So many speculations in the news.
You stated that you will stay as Chief Minister for 5 years, but many are saying that there is dissent also. One question on the regiment change, on the leadership speculation. You have stated that you will stay as CM for 5 years.
So many speculations in the news.
You stated that you will stay as Chief Minister for 5 years, but many are saying that there is dissent also.
Well, joining me live on this broadcast is my colleague Abhishek. He's joining us from our Republic Kannada newsroom. Abhishek, you just saw over there my colleague Harsha confronted Siddaramaiah. She asked very simple questions and all he had to say that it's all a speculation. Then he goes quiet and does not utter a word. Abhishek.
Madhurima, it very clearly seems that the AICC has ordered the ministers and various other key position people in the Congress party not to talk about the change of the power of the chief minister in the next couple of months is what the closest sources of Congress claim as of now. As per the AICC's information and the closest sourcemen of the Congress claim that the power share had to be starting in the month of October or November. There might be a change in the government in the next couple of months is what these people claim as of now. However, while talking to the media on a previous note, CM Siddaramaiah and DK Shivkumar's closest aides mentioned that there will be a T20 format which will be followed in the state of Karnataka, wherein the first 2.5 years CM Siddaramaiah will be taking care of the Chief Minister force and the next 2.5 years will be claimed by DCM DK Shivkumar in the post of CM. However, when the MLAs within the party, when the cabinet ministers within the government started speculating the average or the approximate month when the power change might happen, this is when the AICC had to enter into the Karnataka politics to make sure that the already damaged internal issues shouldn't increase any much more is what the AICC thought, and this is why AICC commended DCM DK.
Abhishek, stay with us. Stay with us. We'll again play for viewers that exclusive confrontation by my colleague Harsha over there. Siddaramaiah is in the national capital and she's posed some very relevant questions.
One question on the regiment change, on the leadership speculation. You have stated that you will stay as CM for 5 years.
So many speculations in the news.
You stated that you will stay as Chief Minister for 5 years, but many are saying that there is dissent also. बोलिए भाई